Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WWE 2K25 and heading straight to Settings. Choose Controls so you can edit bindings now. Pick keyboard and mouse or controller depending on what you use, because layouts differ by device. Once you select the input type, locate the layout you want to edit and press Edit/Customize. Make sure to save a copy of the active profile first so you can revert if needed. This prevents accidental loss and speeds troubleshooting later. Now you remap inputs. Select an in-game action and press the key or button you want to assign and confirm the prompt. This is the precise step where you shape play. Use modifiers, Shift, Alt, Control, if you need secondary functions on fewer keys, since that reduces hand movement. Save the layout periodically as you go, and once a set is complete, load training mode to test combos and timing. If an input conflicts, the game will usually warn you. Resolve overlaps immediately. Finish by fine-tuning sensitivity and dead zones for controllers so your grapples and aiming feel responsive. Small tweaks here change match outcomes. Export the profile to file if you want a backup or to share with friends, and import it on another PC to replicate settings. If a binding doesn't work, quit to desktop and disable overlays or background apps, then reload WWE 2K25 and reassign that key. This clears input hooks and usually fixes stubborn failures. Try a physical controller reconnect if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.